Hey, what is up guys? XXZ Halo, and this is a new series on coding a survival games plugin. So first off, you need to import World Edit, Bukkit, Vault, Bar API, and Permissions X. We already have those all imported, so you're just going to create your package, and we'll create our main class. We'll call it Survival Games. Let's try and stay away from the thing a little bit. Alright, so of course it needs to extend Java plugin, just like every other thing does. Alright, now in this file we're just going to create the instances that we'll need later on, alright? So we'll do public static survival games instance. Alright, and then we'll do public static file configuration for the, no, not file configuration for the files. And we'll have messages, database, signs, we'll have reset, chest loop, of course, I don't know how to spell chest loop apparently, we'll have scoreboard, we'll have bar API, and clips. Perfect. Alright, now let's, that's what I should do, a public static economy from that, we'll call it econ. And then let's do this for fanciness, public static string, let's call it version equals survival games version. Alright, that's all we need for there. Trust me on that. Let's do this for convenience. Private static plugin manager. Let's call it PM. And now we'll do public void on enable for the start method. And we'll do, I'll just copy this over real quick from my other code. Alright, so this is just saying if world edit is not there, it's going to print that message and it will disable the plugin and then it will return out of the method. And then we need to initialize the variables that we have up there. So instance equals this and version added or equal to get description dot get version. Alright, and let me think. That's it for now. Alright. So that looks like a pretty nice main class. And we'll go ahead and create our plugin.yml. No, not a... Alright. No. Not that. Let me delete that real quick. Alright, let's create source plugin.yml. Alright, we'll call the name of this. And then version 0.1. Not comma, 0.1. The main class is me.xx13xx.type.sg.survivalgames. Alright. And we'll do author 6xx. So now we'll do all the soft things later, but that's our main thing. Alright, now we can create a arena class. And this will store everything for arenas and things like that. So, let me scroll up on my page that I have. Alright, so it needs to implement clonable. So we'll implement that real quick. Alright, and then this is going to be a lot right here, but this is going to make up everything that the plugin is, basically. We'll have a min and max location. We'll have a list of spawns. That's nice, spell spawns. Spawns. And then we'll have a private and grace period. And we'll have a name, private string name, have a private string game, private list. Well, this is going to be an integer, and it'll be allowed blocks. And we'll have a private double money kill, and then money win. Alright? We'll have a private material chest type, and we'll have a private chest data, or data, dare you say. We'll have a private Boolean death match and refill. Then we'll have a private list of location that is death match spawns. And we need a private int auto death match and player death match. Well, then we'll have a private int votes equal to 0 for default. Alright. Looks pretty good. And now we'll hit Alt. We'll actually tab down now. Tab again, Alt insert. We'll have a constructor for everything. Boom. Alright, and very quickly, since I have this code over here that's a lot cleaner, I'm just going to copy and paste it all over. Don't worry, I'll go over it all. Alright. So, you're just going to have, I'll have this in the description, you can just paste it on over. But if you don't want to, we just have all that setting up. And then we have the dome. And this is just, you can name these whatever you want, but I recommend naming it what I say. That way you know exactly what I'm coding. And let me check the time. Alright, we got a few minutes. So, that's the arena class. And everything, every arena is going to have this. It's all going to be the same thing. Alright? So now we can exit out of here. Go back to survival game. No, wait, no, never mind. We'll create a new class and we'll call it Arena Manager. Alright? And here's where we're going to leave off. A new video will be up probably either next Friday or Saturday. And like this for more stuff. And this plugin is going to have death matches, kit, it's going to have database, it's going to have money rewarded, it's going to have statistics. It's very good. I like this a lot. It's very advanced. It's not a basic survival games, but I'll explain everything that we do. Alright, so, yep. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.